Hello everyone, I've got a HEC inclusive here in front of me. HEC is Hobby Expo China 2025. It's from the brand 596. Not my first model from 596. I think for a lot of people, especially Transformers fans, this is going to be a must-have. Got another HEC exclusive from the brand Topkick. You can see 2025 HEC limited edition. What is the brand here? GOC Vehicle Museum, and it is where it is. C4500 off-road version, GMC. And with this thing here inside, that's a very cool match in my opinion. Okay, let's not wait any longer and let's open the package. It is still in the plastic. So for me, it's also going to be a surprise what I will find in the box. Of course, I know what's in the box, but how it looks, if it's in one piece, not damaged, missing parts, I hope not, etc. Do we have some information on the box? No. On the side, on the back, on the side, no. Just HEC 2025 and 596. It's with a magnet closing mechanism. Yep. Then we got a piece of foam. Oh. What? Oh my god. This is already looking very cool. I so hope this is made completely out of metal diecast. What do I have here? It is a bag with something, and the chance that there is no manual that is saying where to put it is very big. Okay, let's start with the truck. Oh, man, this stuff makes me nervous. How to get it out? Not here. I think it's best here, and I think I already see something that is broken. Yes, not broken, but a loose part. It probably was. Oh no, that's not so bad. So it's heavy. It's heavy. So this is here. You see, it's not broken. It came loose. And I need a little bit of glue and then it's okay. It happens a lot. It's not that terrible. Okay, I have to do something, sorry. I have to put on airplane mode because somebody was ringing at the doorbell. Wow. Holy smoke, this thing is looking... Look at this! The chains here. What? Talking about details. That is realistic. All the wires for the air, electric, etc. Man, this thing is so beautiful. Is there an opening part here? No, no opening part. Good rolling wheels. Yeah, I'm going to check the base. Yo, I was not expecting that. It has steering wheels. Good steering wheels. Transformers logo here in the front. How cool is that? Nice grill. Yeah. For the complete picture, I have to do this. Shit. Sorry for my language, but this is the most beautiful 164 Transformers Optimus Prime truck I've ever seen. Yeah. This is metal. This is plastic. Or is this plastic? No, that's plastic. Steering mechanism is plastic, but... Okay. Now, let's go for the trailer. But first, I'm going to glue this back on the truck. Okay, glued it back on, very easy. Truck rolls also very good. No problems at all. Still have no idea what this is for, but maybe we get some answers if we get the trailer out. Let's see. Oh yeah. Is there anything else in there? Okay, I'm a little bit disappointed because this is made out of plastic, and I thought it's going to be made out of metal because the brand 596, most of the time it is full metal, metal body, metal base, but no, it's not. This, by the way, is all made of diecast. Yeah, perfect. Here we got another Transformers logo. This is also made out of plastic. I was so hoping that this was metal. That would be so cool. Not that it is not good, but that would be so much better. And the quality would be also higher. How to open this? Try to open it, but it's not that easy. Very cool look, by the way. Ah, there it goes. There we go. This one won't open that good. Let's switch to see if there's something inside. No. This one. Ah, there we go. Yeah. Will there fit a car inside? Well, I have a Schuko Porsche right here, and that fits inside pretty easy. By the way, I have some other car that is maybe perfect to fit in the truck. Here they are. These are from magazine models. Whoa, that looks very cheap. If I know this from before, I would not order these, but let's have a look. This is the complete set. Yes, this is the one I got, the high octane Bumblebee. I think so. Well, it doesn't look like the one on the photo here. That one looks totally awesome. And I also got the police car, but that one is not here on the picture. Optimus Prime truck looks very cool here on the picture, but believe me, it looks terrible in the package. Yeah, this looks... I don't going to get this one out of the package, but this one. And then the video stopped working. But this one we're going to take out of the package. I already did, but I was not filming. Card looks very cool, I have to say. But the car looks way too cheap. This is cheap diecast. Meh. Yeah, it is what it is. It fits in the trailer, I've checked. But we're going to the other model from Topkick. Let's take the plastic off. There we go. Here. Beautiful package, by the way. Very nice. Here we got some information. Here we got the brand. Collector's item. Blah, blah, blah. Made in China. Of course. How limited is it? 1299. And here it is. Comes in a nice display case with 2 screws. And I believe this one is still available. The truck is also available. So the truck is available on AliExpress. I paid 170 euro. Well, actually a little bit more. I had to pay 80 euro taxes. Is it worth the money? Totally. For this one I paid around 30-40 euro. I got it at Chase the Wheels. I will leave a link in the description of where I bought it. This is plastic right here, plastic. Thick rubber tires, GMC, Topkick. Nice paint, by the way. Let's have a look in the interior. Nice gray interior. Windscreen wipers are molded in the plastic. Oh no, they're loose on the plastic. Okay, let's take it off the base. I'm really curious if it's got a metal base or not. Whoa. That's one. There we go. Metal base. Yeah, metal base. Silver exhaust. I like that. Good profile on the tires. Very good rolling wheels. For this model, to be honest, it would be very cool if it had steering wheels. So there is improvement for the future. But it already looks very cool. Love it. How does it look next to the truck? I think that's a very cool combination. Oh. Awesome. So let me know what you think about the truck. Is it worth 170 euro? Now it's even more expensive. It's already gone up above 200. What do you think about the Topkick GMC? Let me know in the comments and have a very good day. Bye.